can we arrange for one of the pujaris to do the last rites? And I said, is there any way that you would be able to do it? And he said, no, we'll do it for you. We'll do it. So just the three of us, Pankajanghri, and I, we're down by the Ganga, and just the three of us performed these last rites for Bhakta-ganas and Mother. And as we're preparing the ashes, there's certain rituals that you do, and we're preparing the ashes, or rather Janani-vas and Pankajanghri were there, and we're doing it, and I was watching. And then I kind of made a joke to them. I said, oh, one day you'll be doing this for me. But I will see being there for Jones. Excuse me. I wasn't able to be there, of course, for Pankajanghri's final rites, but that image will always stay in my heart. The three of us in the Ganga, offering prayers to the Ganges. So we've been blessed and touched by this wonderful devotee. So all glories to Pankajanghri, Hare Krishna. All glories to Srila Prabhupada.
Are there men want to speak?
I have a letter from I have a letter from Govardhana to read, if that's all right. She was not comfortable to come up here and speak herself, so.
Thank you.
In 1982 and 1984, dacoits, thieves, had attacked the temple in Mayapur. The first time stealing Srila Prabhupada's childhood deities of Radha Govinda. They were never recovered. And the second time, Srimati Radharani, the Asadhatu deity, who has since been replaced. Bhavananda Prabhu, the Mayapur president, had a dream in which the dacoits were ripped apart by Lord Nrsimhadev. So he sent Atma Tattva to South India to try to have a deity made.